Medical schemes doubt the success of government's national health insurance and believe the provision of healthcare in the country is worsening. According to a survey in the industry conducted by services firm PwC, the schemes believe the NHI alone is not the solution to South Africa's healthcare problems. Respondents to the survey believe working conditions first need to be improved and a total overhaul of basic resources should be implemented before NHI. The DA's asked the former Defence Minister Lindiwe Sisulu to produce proof that the tender process to buy a new presidential jet was sound. Spokesperson David Mania says she must produce documentary evidence that the Minister of Finance approved the deviation from normal competitive bidding processes. Earlier, Sisulu said she was convinced that the department followed correct procurement processes regarding the R2 billion Boeing business jet. She suspended the deal after she was moved to the public service portfolio. Bus company Putco is adamant that it didn't alter a roadworthy certificate relating to the bus involved in last week's accident, which claimed the lives of 19 people in Meyerton, north of Vereeniging. According to reports, documents show clearly that Putco may have tampered with a certificate issued last month. It's believed the bus was declared unfit to be on the road due to defective brakes. Putco's Andrew Sefala insists they did nothing wrong.
It would not be in our interest to tamper with the legal documents of the vehicle. In terms of the information that we have, our bus was roadworthy. There are allegations that the document that we are having is different from what the municipality has. So what we have done on our side is to appoint a forensic auditor that will investigate.
A fire at the Goldfields KDC mine is under control. Spokesperson Sven Lunscher says both KDC East at Kloof and KDC West at Driefontein on Gauteng's West Rand remain closed for the time being. 5 miners died at the mine at the weekend. Lunscher says the cause of the fire is unknown.
The fire at the Yarona shaft at Driefontein mine is still going, but we have it under control. It's not extinguished yet, but it's under control. It's at one of the levels of the Yarona shaft. So it is under control, but it's still blazing, and we still haven't extinguished it yet.
Mob killings on the Eastern Cape persist despite police campaigns calling on residents not to take the law into their own hands. In a period of 3 years, people in the Eastern Cape have resorted to mob justice due to a sharp increase in criminal activities such as rape and murder. President of the Congress of Traditional Leaders is Batakile Holomisa.
Of the time when that kind of activity has taken place, people are convinced that the person they've arrested is the culprit. When the police come, all the investigations have been done. All they need to do is to take statements from the people who have been identified by the community as the culprits and witnesses. Sometimes they are released on what they generally know as police bail, even also commit the same crime that they had committed before. These are the things that make people believe that the system does not work.
The British government's confirmed that ground-based air defence missiles will be deployed around London during the Olympic Games, due to start in 3 weeks' time. The top story at 5 o'clock. Medical schemes doubt the success of government's national health insurance and believe the provision of healthcare in the country is worsening.